Welcome back to #Better Aids Cooking Show with your host Chef DVINEWIZ. Today's new video, we are cooking stewed beef. It's what's for dinner. Get your beef into the pan and get your ingredients in there. We got cayenne pepper, we got salt, pepper. It's yummy for your tummy. Now take it out of that pot and put it into the stir fry pan. I'm doing this because this ensures that your meat cooks well done. Stir it up. Stir it up. Now, put this into a dish to serve your family and let that simmer on the side of the stove. And get you a bowl and pour you some in and enjoy. Thanks for choosing Better Eat. Thanks. Grand rising. Let's go, king and queen. I said, let's go, king and queen. Get up. It is time to be elevated because you got